Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just going to be showing you a quick strategy to scalp on boom and crash, like very fast and accurate. A quick strategy to actually scalp on boom and crash, like smoothly, just like that. So guys, see, now what you just need to do first of all is to just look at something. What's about to happen now? This particular spot, I'm just going to first watch at the spot, right? I want it to cross here. I just want it to cross there. When it crosses there, you just need to be patient with me because I'm just going to hold this trade forever. Okay, I'm just going to hold this trade. Okay, I'm just going to be holding this trade. Okay, so that's it. But first of all, let me just show you something. Some people, they really don't understand, like, what do you call it? They really don't understand naked chart analysis. So because of that, I'm going to be doing combine today. I'm just going to want you to go down. And just what do you call it? And just look for your for your alligator. Now just place your alligator the way it is set on my stuff here. Just place it like this. Okay, just place it like this. But wait, I wouldn't place the alligator yet. Now can you see it crossed the spot I just drew? Right, it crossed the spot I just drew. Good. Now let me take trades now. I will explain further, but as I'm explaining, profit should be going. Let's try to do two things at the same time. I'm currently having 268. I don't like this account like this. I want to see how I can double this account or triple it before the end of this video. So guys, I'm just going to use a lot size of 2 here, and I'm going to sell. I'm just going to take another one. Okay, sorry. Let me just use a lot size something higher, or something like 8. Okay, good. Then I'm just going to take this time on something like 4. Good. Let me see if I can take another 4. Okay, I can't. So let me just try to. Good. So I'm actually having these, right? I'm just actually having these. Okay, now let me show you what I was saying. This is actually a long trade. Don't worry, we don't have to be scared about anything. It will just keep going down. Okay, now if you notice, when I started on the naked chart, what did I say? I said all I just needed it to do was to cross this line, right? Was to cross, and boom, it crossed, right? Boom, it crossed. Immediately as it crossed, I just went in, right? Good. Now I went in. Now after going in, now I just know that it will just keep going down. What it's just about to do is to just keep going down. There's just nothing that will happen to this stuff. How do I know? Good. I just actually first of all went to my higher time frames. Right? I went to my higher time frames, right? Now, what did I see? I saw that this guy had come up before. It has spiked and boomed up and got into this spot, right? After getting to this spot, there's one thing it must do. See, guys, I've studied the algorithm of deriv chart. I've studied the algorithm of this broker's chart on crash and boom, volatility and all. I've studied them into years back. I've studied every single month of this stuff. I've studied the daily time frames and everything. I know how this stuff behaves, especially the 1 hour time frame. I know how this stuff behaves. I know what I'm talking about. Now this stuff is just going to move like this. After from this spot, it's going to move and get to this spot. Now when it gets to this spot, it will give crazy spikes up, right? After giving those crazy spikes up, it will start dropping back again, right? That will not be a different candlestick here, or that will not be a different candlestick there. With that candlestick, it will now use it to come back and get to this spot. After getting to this spot, it's going to go up. All I just told you is just that I can't hold this trade for hours, but all I just told you is what is going to happen. But now you can see it's 4 minutes already. I'm not holding 1 minute. I had to hold 1 minute candlestick. No, I'm not holding that. I didn't come here to do that today. I'm just here to show you retrade. Okay, now if you don't understand what I just did, go to the 15 minutes time frame. You can see exactly what I just said about that is happening here on the 15 minutes time frame. It's so clear. You can see it got to this spot. You can see this guy that is here. This guy that is so nice is just there looking at us. Now this guy is it will just continue going up. it will just continue going down, it will just continue going down and get to this spot I just showed you. Now after getting to that spot, it's going to form one candlestick, form another one, form another one, form another one. That's like 4. I don't know if I counted more than 4. After forming those 4 candlesticks, it's going to drop down. It's going to drop down. Guys, I know what I'm talking about. I know this thing. I've studied the algorithm of this chart. The beauty about deriv chart is that deriv chart is not controlled by emotions. It's actually something that is already programmed. It's programmed. So you just need to understand the algorithm. Guys, I've studied this stuff. I know how this chart behaves. I know exactly how this chart behaves. So look at something, guys. Okay, let me just quickly show you. Okay, you can see I don't know, just say I'm feeling okay. Let's just keep holding. I don't have so much capital. That's just why. Just say I have so much capital, I would have just added a few more trades. But guys, now in case in case you don't really understand how naked charts work, you don't understand this simple analysis I just gave. It's so easy. Don't worry. You don't have to stress yourself. You don't just even have to stress yourself. Just come here. Go to your indicators. If you don't like naked charts, you don't understand naked chart. Go to your indicators. Scroll down. When you go down, you look for a guy called what? A guy called alligator, right? A guy, the indicator called alligator. Just click on alligator. Now, my alligator is already set. This is not the default. No, just go. Use on your jaws period, place it on 8. Now, on your jaw shift, place it on 6. On your teeth period, turn it into 6 also. On your teeth shift, make it 2. On your lips period, make it 2. Then on your lips shift, just make it 1. Then your method should be, I think the default is exponential or something, but just make sure your method is simple. You can see, look at it. I think your default should be smooth. But just make it what? Just make it simple. Just take it to simple, okay? Now you apply to make it close. Just turn it to close. Then you can choose any color of your choice. You can just choose anything you want. Then after that, click on done. You are done. Now what do? You just simply come to this place. Don't worry. You notice a small spike happened, right? You can see a small spike, but don't worry. It's just something to scare you off. Don't worry about that. Don't worry. You can see I'm having 40 USD. That's something to, hey, let me leave now. I'm taking some profits. Let me leave. No, just relax. Just calm down. It will just keep going down. Don't worry. Just forget about that. But yeah, like I was saying, now, immediately as you see something like where is it? Just immediately after putting it, make sure, don't forget, make sure you go on your 5 minutes time frame. Don't use your 1 minute time frame, guys. Don't use it. It will deceive you. Don't use your 1 minute time frame. Go to your 5 minutes. You can also use your 15 minutes time frame, but 5 minutes is extremely accurate. 5 minutes is extremely accurate. Now, the stuff that happened here, don't just forget about what happened here. It's normal. A little spike can happen, but then to just keep going down. Remember this boom, crash and boom. Of course, spikes will happen, but they will just be like this that will happen, and they just keep going down. Okay, guys, see, that's it. Now, after doing that, after going to your 5 minutes time frame, go ahead. Remember to use these settings I gave here. Remember to use these settings. If you don't use these settings, I'm sorry. If you don't use these settings, you have errors. I know what I'm talking about. Don't use the default. Use these settings. Then after using these settings, go straight to your 5 minutes time frame, okay? Go straight to your 5 minutes time frame. When you are on your 5 minutes time frame, watch for just 2 lines. What lines are you watching for? Your red and your green. Your blue line, don't worry about your blue line. Just leave your blue line alone there. Your blue line is meant for other indices. But for this particular stuff, just look at your green line and your red line. Look at what happened here. Can you see what happened? My green line is crossing my red line from the top. It's not just crossing it, it's forming something so perfect. Okay, you can even use your blue line here also. You can use your blue line here also to confirm something. Look at what happened. My green crossed my red line from the top downwards. Boom, forming something like this, right? Good. My red crossed my red, of course, then crossed my my green line, of course. How did they go? Boom, like this. But the one thing that I must notice now, if you love your blue, you want to use your blue line to confirm, just look at this. You notice it crossed both your green line and your red line. You notice it crossed both your green line and your red line, right? Good. But you don't have to use this guy. So if you track this guy, you see it's forming something like this, an X here and an X here. But you don't have to use your blue line there. You don't have to use that guy if you don't want to use it. You don't have to use that guy. The main thing you must just note here is that use the settings I showed you and make sure that this green line crosses the red from the top. Right, crosses the red from the top. After crossing the red from the top, you just look at this red that is actually going up, like is straight going up. Is straight going up, right? Good. Now you can see it bends a little to continue going up, right? Good. Now that guy is going up, right? Good. Now in such a way that I just confirm those two. After confirming those two, what do I do again? Something very important. I confirm the trend. On my 5 minutes, you can see it's been shooting down, right? It's been shooting down. So immediately after confirming these things, the first, I need to make sure that the green crosses the red from the top. The second, I need to make sure that the red is actually going up, right? Then thirdly, look at this guy always bend like this, then continue going up. But when he bends like this and keeps bending, leave the trade. That's not right signal. So you can see that now after mentoring this guy crossing this, now I just simply go. If you want to make further confirmation, you make sure the blue is crossing both, right? Good. After that, I just simply zoom it in completely and check the trend, downtrend. That's all. That's all I need. Now, if you love naked charts, because naked charts are extremely accurate, just simply do all I told you. Let's check the profit. Okay, look at what we are having. But then let's continue. Now, look at something. If you love naked charts so much, what do you need to do? You just need to simply come to this place, right? You just need to simply come to this place, okay? Now, just do exactly all I told you before. Go to the 30 minutes time frame or so. After going to the 30 minutes time frame, you can see, or you can go to the 15 minutes time frame. You see what I told you? It went up and retested this guy to actually drop down back to this place, touch this guy to spike back up. After spiking back up, it comes and forms another candlestick here, right? Then keeps playing and forms another one, keeps playing and forms another, forms 4 candlesticks. This is the first, second, and third. After forming that, it will drop back down to go retest this guy at this spot. Can you see where is that guy? Let me zoom in. Yeah, to go touch this guy back here, not that guy exactly, to go meet this guy. But first of all, it will actually come to this spot. Where is it? It will actually come to this spot. Yeah, it's clearer here. It will come to this spot, spike up, and after that continue going down to this spot. This will take several days to complete. If you have a large capital of about 1,000 or like more than that, you can just hold this trade as a week trade and just go and sleep and just relax. So that's just it, guys. So I don't want this video to be so long, guys. You can see I'm not holding this thing for 1 minute or 2 minutes or something. This 30 minutes already, and I'm having 110 already, guys. So I don't want this video to be so long. I don't like my videos to be so long. So guys, it's a buy for me. All I just want you to do is to just subscribe to my channel. I have free seminars on this. In case you are not a subscriber yet, I have a long seminar on this, a seminar that you can watch and understand every single principle. If you actually want to learn skills faster of training, I also have VIP mentorship. But if you don't have money to subscribe for VIP mentorship, I have free seminars to make sure that no person anywhere have any excuse. To make sure that no person have any excuse, and no person have any excuse to not mind the market or make profit from the market. That's why you see me give free robots. You can check my free robot there. The link should be down below. You can actually just subscribe and send me a screenshot of any free robots that you need. I'm going to send them to you. This is just my way of contributing to the society, guys. I just do these things for free. What I'm showing you now, I'm not telling you to pay me for it. I showed you how you can analyze guys this particular stuff I just took on a naked chart. I showed you how you can also use your alligator to actually track it down also. So guys, it's just my way of contributing to the society. All I just want you to do is to just subscribe to my channel and just send me and just send me a screenshot of any robot or indicator you want, and I'm going to send them to you instantly. Or if you are in need of the seminars that are passed before now, you can just actually send me a message that you need them. You just need to subscribe and to join the team, and just send me a message that you need any of these indicators, any of these seminars, and I'm just going to send all the seminars to you. So it's a bye for me, guys. Peace.